go. So I've spent a while gathering patterns for this video and I finally have 63 patterns to share with you. So these are all patterns of different plushies of different Disney characters. I have a bunch of different categories of Disney characters. Here are the timestamps. I'll also include little chapter markers along here so you can skip around as you wish. We're going to start off at the obvious place. We're going to start off with Mickey and friends, and our first pattern is going to be Mr. Mickey Mouse himself. I've got this YouTube tutorial of how to crochet a Mickey, and then you can also crochet a matching Minnie Mouse to go with your Mickey. This Minnie Mouse is in pink, but you could also do her in red if you prefer her red style. Next we have Pluto. This Pluto is mimicking the Tsum Tsum plushies. So if you don't know, these little plushies here are called Tsum Tsums. They're just kind of round, flat versions of Disney characters, and this is a very cute Pluto one. Then we have the other dog, Goofy. Still don't understand how Goofy and Pluto are both dogs, but anyway, you've got Goofy in a whole Goofy outfit. And next I have a very cute pattern of Donald Duck, featuring his very cute hat and bow tie, and then we've got a matching one of Daisy Duck. Similar to Minnie Mouse, if you prefer Daisy in different colours, you can do her little outfit in different colours. And okay, these are the only characters I have two patterns for because this Donald and Daisy were just so cute. This Donald and Daisy are modelled after the Foofy plushes. They're kind of similar to Tsum Tsums, but like they're sitting upright. They look a bit like Squishmallows actually. And this Crochet Donald and Daisy one just captured my heart. I had to include them for you. Next we're going to move on to one of my favourite Disney things, Winnie the Pooh. Starting off with a free Winnie the Pooh pattern. I've also got a free Piglet crochet pattern, so you can have your Pooh and Piglet besties. Then we've got Eeyore. Once again, this Eeyore is inspired by the Disney Tsum Tsums, and it looks very, very cute. And we've got another 100 Acre Wood friend, of course. We can't forget Tigger. And the final Winnie the Pooh one I found is this adorable, adorable Roo. Now, I did try to find a Kanga pattern, couldn't find it, and there are a few other Winnie the Pooh characters I couldn't find, but I think we've covered the big ones. Next, we have Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. I did not realise what a popular character Stitch was until I went to Hong Kong Disneyland about, oh my god, that was nearly 10 years ago. Anyway, Stitch was everywhere in Hong Kong Disneyland, and I've realised over the years that a lot of people really love Stitch, so I've got a free video pattern of Stitch. Now we're going to move into some classic Disney characters. I mean, the ones we've already done are kind of classic Disney characters, but these are more classic Disney characters. Starting with Tinkerbell. This pattern is so adorable. I love her little skirt and her little wings. Then I've got an equally adorable Peter Pan pattern. I love the way they've done his hair. It's very, very snazzy. And then next I've got Dumbo. You could change the hat to your favourite colour Dumbo. I was very excited to go on the purple hatted Dumbo when I was at Disneyland. Then we've got a crocheted Timothy that looks exactly like this little Timothy. Then I have Alice from Alice in Wonderland. I love the little bow she has in her hair. Then also from Alice in Wonderland I have the White Rabbit, and it's got quite a detailed outfit there with the pocket watch. And also the Cheshire Cat. Next character is Pinocchio. It's quite a big and detailed pattern. Honestly, might just use that little hat pattern to make some more clothes for my Squishmallows. And I've got a very cute Jiminy Cricket, another cute one in that Tsum Tsum form. Next I have a Dalmatian. I had to include 101 Dalmatians in this video. I couldn't find a specifically 101 Dalmatian pattern, so I've just got like a basic Dalmatian. And then you can just make 101 of them so that you fulfill the Disney movie. And I've also got my first villain. We've got Cruella from 101 Dalmatians. I'm not in particular a big fan of the Disney villains, but a lot of people really love them, so got Cruella in there. I actually don't know, is Cruella even still a villain after that Cruella movie came out? Do we like her now? Now I'm going to move into Disney princesses and friends. Starting off with Disney Princess Belle. This is a very cute, like, chibi one. And we've got her friend Chip the Teacup. Next pattern is Snow White. So this video here shows you how to do the hair, the dress, the shoes, the details of the doll. But you need to go to a different video for how to make the body and a different video of how to make the face. So I've got all three links there, and the body and face tutorial is basically to show you how to make the body and face of any doll, and then you can turn it into any princess you like. They also do have a tutorial of this Rapunzel. She's so sweet. I love her hair. Obviously love her purple dress. And I've got her friend Pascal. Now, it has just occurred to me that I forgot to find a Cinderella pattern, and that seems like an important pattern. So in editing, I'm going to find one. Isn't it beautiful? It's wonderful. I'm glad I didn't completely forget her. Next, I've got Princess Mulan. They've even included a pretty flower in her hair. And I've got her friend Mushu. Quite a detailed pattern, this would be quite a time consuming one. And there is Princess Ariel as a mermaid. If you'd like to make her as a human, there's that body pattern from earlier. I've also got this Ariel as a mermaid from the 2023 live action Little Mermaid. And we've got Ariel's friend Flounder, the cute little fish. And another Disney villain is on the scene. It's Ursula. I'm not actually sure how you say her name. Then I have Pocahontas. On this one, they've done that technique where you use like white yarn around the eyes to give them that extra dimension. And this crocheted Merida is so adorable. Those curls look absolutely amazing. And we've got gorgeous little Tiana with her gorgeous green dress. Then we have the Frozen princesses, or technically Elsa is actually a queen. Also, did you know Frozen is 10 years old? How did that happen? Anyway, so we've got Queen Elsa pattern and then Princess Anna pattern. Also got their friend Olaf, can't forget about the funny guy. And we've got this beautiful Moana. This is another pattern by Chia Crafts. They've created so many beautiful Disney princess patterns. Then we've got Mirabelle. I don't actually know if Mirabelle is considered a Disney princess, but I feel like she fits into the Disney princess vibe, so I've got her here. This one is amazing, but would be quite time consuming to do because she's got like all that embroidery on her skirt. Next we've got, okay, I'm a fake Disney fan. I haven't seen Wish yet. I've literally titled this Wish Girl because I don't know her name. I already love her though. She's another purple princess, so that's all I need to know. And I've got her little friend, the Wishing Star. Are they friends? I don't know. Like I said, haven't seen the movie, but the Wishing Star is so cute. Okay, then the final pattern in this section is Baymax. And you may be thinking Baymax isn't a Disney princess, in which case you're wrong. He is a Disney princess and that's why he's in this section. For real though, I thought Baymax was a Pixar character and I had him in the Pixar section, and then I realized, wait, he's not. I didn't know what section to put him in, so he just got chucked in with the princesses. Okay, now we're moving into the Pixar section. First pattern is my favorite Disney character, my favorite Pixar character. You can see a dozen plushies of him around. That's 4, but it's like 3 more than all the other characters. So, Mike Wazowski. I liked him before he became a meme. He was my favorite character when I was like 5 because he's round, he has big eye, and I just thought he was really cute. And this pattern is really, really cute. I've never crocheted a Mike Wazowski. I don't know why, but that is something I need to address soon. Then I've got this Sully pattern. Now, this Sully matches the Mike very well in that he's round. Sully isn't normally round, Mike normally is round, but I do think it's cute that they match. Next, we've got Nemo the clownfish. I probably don't need to introduce him as a clownfish. I think everyone knows who Nemo is. Quite a big Nemo, good hugging size. And I've got a cute little baby Dory. Baby Dory is my favorite kind of Dory, but she's just so adorable. And I've got Squirt, another one of my childhood favorite characters. I've always been a purple girl, but I've always liked green characters for some reason. Maybe because they kind of look like frogs, I don't know. Either way, we've got a Tsum Tsum looking Squirt and it's so cute. Okay, next, pattern number 54 is actually 5 patterns. We've got all the emotions from Inside Out. Well, all the emotions that were there in the first Inside Out movie. So click on this link and scroll down and you'll find the links to all 5 of these characters. They are very, very cute patterns, would recommend. Moving on to pattern number 55. Now I wanted to include a Cars pattern. This was like the only one I could find, and this is massive. This would be a massive crochet project to undertake. But if you have like a little kid or someone in your life that really, really loves Lightning McQueen, I think this would make their life. Now we've got a few Toy Story characters. So we've got Buzz Lightning. That's not his name. Buzz Lightyear. His girlfriend Jessie. There was this big thing on the internet when no one knew that they were together and thought Woody and Jessie were together, but I feel like with Toy Story 4 that's really been cleared up. Although I've got to say, I kind of don't count Toy Story 4 as part of the franchise. I like how it finishes off with 3 and we'll pretend that that's it. Then we've got Alien. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute little alien pattern. And the final Toy Story pattern is Ham, the pig, the piggy bank. He just looked very cute, so I had to include him. And then the final Pixar pattern and the final Disney pattern, final pattern of this video is from Turning Red. It's May when she's a panda, and I thought it was a really cute pattern. Well, I hope there is something on the list that inspires you to crochet. I know I couldn't include every Disney character. I'm sorry if I missed your favorite. If you'd like to see more Disney characters, I'm very happy to make a part 2 of this video. So let me know if you'd like to see that. I hope you're having a very nice day, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!